Hello, and I'm back for the math portion of our lesson for today. Again, you know I miss you and I wish I could meet you live via Zoom, but I'm pre-recording this so that you can still get the lessons that you need. All right, so we're going to go ahead and jump right on into this and get started. I'm going to share your assignment with you. Uh, what we're going to do here is let me see. I got to share the screen. I want you to look at this assignment that I'm going to post. We're using mental math to find each product. So it says this link here is to help you with these equations, copy and paste to your web browser. So let's go back and try to change that to here is the link. Copy and paste to your web browser. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to try to copy this. We're going to left click and hold it and drag it. And we're going to right click for copy purposes. Click on copy. Let's go to our web browser here. Go to a new one. Right click and paste. Let's see if it's going to take us to the video to help us with our assignment. All right. So that just gave us wow, there's a lot of different pictures there. That gave us a brief overview of what we will be doing. It's really quick, just something to let us know how to basically use that and add those zeros. Let's get back to our lesson. So we're going to take a look. This is the same thing except there's zeros on both sides. So it doesn't matter. We're going to take the first number and multiply, and then we're going to count all of our zeros up and write them in the back on the line for our answer. So I'm going to go to annotate, draw, and let's look at blue. Okay, so we're going to take the 5 and we're going to multiply it times 8, and it's going to give us 40. And then we're going to count how many zeros we have. So we have 1 0, 2 0, 3 zeros. So that's how many we're going to add. We already have a 40 because 5 times 8 is 40. So we still have to have that 0 because that is the answer to 5 times 8. Okay? So then we have 1, 2, 3 zeros that we got to add to this 40. 1, 2, 3 zeros. This means, and we put commas in series of 3. 1, 2, 3. We'll put our comma here. So then our full answer is 40,000. So we're going to write our 4, the 0 that came with it for multiplying times 8, 5, and 8 and 5, and the 3 zeros we added because that's how many zeros were involved before we multiplied. So our answer is 40,000. All right, so let's look at this one. We're multiplying 2 times 9. And we know that 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 9 is 18. So we're writing our 18. We're going to go back and count how many zeros are involved. There's 1 0, 2 zeros, 3 zeros, 4 zeros. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's add those. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and remember I said every 3 numbers starting from the right to the left in a series of 3 we put a comma. 1, 2, 3, and that keeps our place value. So in order to put it in a full color so you can have your full answer, you're going to write your 1, your 8, and your 4 zeros. And you're gonna, Ms. Tyson don't want to put that one on there. That one wasn't cute enough. None of them are cute, but that one really wasn't gonna make it. So 1, 2, 3, comma in the series of 3, that's 180,000. All right, so I hope you're seeing what we're doing. All right, so here we're gonna take a look. We're multiplying 6 and 7. So you have 7 times 6, and we all know that 7 times 6 is 42. So I'm gonna write that 42. We're done with that. Now we have to tally up our zeros. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. So I'm going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. And a comma goes between a series of 3 numbers beginning from the right to the left. If I said the left to the right the first time, I didn't mean it, but I meant from the right end to the left end, okay? So 1, 2, 3, there's a comma to keep our place value. 1, 2, 3, there's another comma to keep our place value. So we actually have 4,200,000. 4,200,000. So let's write it in blue so we can have that full number visible for understanding. 4,200,000. That's 200. That's in the thousands place. And see, there's nothing in the hundreds, nothing in the tens, nothing in the ones. 4,200,000. All right. Let's look at our very last one. We are multiplying 3 times 4. We know 3 times 4 is 12. All right, so 3 times 4 is 12. Let's count how many zeros we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. So we're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. Our comma goes in a series of 3s, starting from the right towards the left to keep our place value. So that's 1, 2, 3, and we put a comma here. Then we have 1, 2, 3. So we don't need another comma. So let's put this all in one color so that you can see that this is 120,000. That is our answer. 120,000. You multiply your first number, your front 2 numbers, and you just add however many zeros are involved. Just like the one in the front, don't get it mixed up. Right here, 5 times 8 is 40, and that's why we have that 0. So that doesn't count with the ones that we had to add to it, because the answer to 5 and 8 is 40, okay? All right, so I've done these with you. Your job is for you to do the rest of them on the page, okay? So they're here for you to work out and complete. Make sure as you're looking at this video that you are taking notes and you've written everything down that I've written so that it can help you along with the video that I'm attaching right here. So you need at least 2 colors. You can use a blue pen and a black pen. You can use a pencil and a red ink pen, but don't use a pencil and a black ink pen because they're basically the same color when you're writing. So try to use 2 colors so you can see the changes that were made. 8 times 5 was 40. 2 times 9 was 18. 7 times 6 is 42. 3 times 4 was 12. Okay? And so we had 1, 2, 3 zeros. That gave us these zeros here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. That gave us our 4 zeros here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That gave us our 5 zeros here. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. That gave us our 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros here. I hope this was helpful. Remember, our goal was using mental math to find each product. Of course, like I said, use this link, copy it and paste it to your browser, watch it. Then don't forget to go through this video again if you need to, and go through the YouTube video again also if you need to make sure that you know what you're doing, okay? Because your job, I'm getting ready to clear it in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Remember, even though I'm clearing it, you can always rewind this video and look at my notes again to assist you. All right, so your job is to do the second portion of the assignment. That was the I do and the we do, actually, if you were doing it with me. You are to do these, okay? If you're not going to complete it on this page that I'm going to email to you, you can use your booklet to ensure that you, let's see if I can minimize this, to ensure that you do it. So some of these are in here, all right? The ones that are in here, all of them that I put down there are in here on this under number 1. There's no part of number 2 down there that I'm asking you to complete. So keep in mind, it's the first half of this assignment on page, is it gonna be 48? Okay, we'll say 48, okay? 91, I knew it was something. All right, on 91, page 91, guys. All right, portion A of page 91. And remember, it's already typed up on this assignment, okay? I hope everything is going to be easy for you and it'll be a breeze and that you'll have it turned in. All right, so this is going to be viewed at whatever time that you need it to be viewed. I think I'm going to post it for, I'll post it maybe for 10 o'clock. And you can start looking at it at 10 o'clock and have it done by noon. Okay, I love you guys. I miss you, and I will see you Tuesday. All right, so let me get all this stuff off the screen. And we can say goodbye to each other. All right, like I said, I hope all of this is helpful and beneficial for you. I will see you on Tuesday, if all is well. Hope you guys are doing great. See you later.